How to change your gender on Pinterest app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender on Pinterest app. So first thing we do is we go to Pinterest. After that you go to your profile icon here down below, and now you click on those three dots here in the app, and after that you go to settings, and now click on personal information. And after that you will find the option that says gender. Then choose male or female or custom, anyone you want. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.